Is your apartment a reflection of your soul, or just a place you're staying? Sparkles. Most people wait until they own to decorate. At Beki Décor, we curate permanent vibes with temporary tools. Today, we're decoding the renter revelation, transforming your white box into a custom sanctuary without a single drill hole. Let's reclaim your security deposit and your style. Welcome back to Beki Décor, the home of organic modernism and tactile freedom. I'm Beki. If you've been living with landlord special finishes because you're afraid for your security deposit, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we are mastering apartment-friendly DIY upgrades. I'm sharing my senior designer secrets on how to use removable options, from peel and stick textures to command-friendly shelving, to curate a space that feels uniquely yours. It's practical, it's a little scrappy, and it actually works. Let's get grounded. The Renter Revelation. Designer Secret 1. The Vanishing Backsplash. Kitchen Alchemy. Luxury begins with visual continuity. Step 1. We're sneaking life into the kitchen with a peel and stick backsplash. Step 2. Choose a pattern that mimics natural stone or classic tile. Here is the designer's secret. Don't just stop at the wall. Wrap the sticker slightly under the cabinets for a seamless, custom-built look. This is surface alchemy. It protects your deposit while giving you a sophisticated silhouette that reflects a modern, chic kitchen. Designer Secret 2. The Floating Illusion. Command-friendly shelving. We're practicing negative space storage without the power tools. Step 1. Use command-friendly picture ledges. Step 2. Style them with lightweight textiles and framed prints. This is linear rhythm. By drawing the eye upward with vertical layers, you create vertical volume in a small apartment. It's a quick decor fix that makes your rental feel like a custom home, keeping your walls intact and your mood elevated. Designer Secret 3. The Atmospheric Wall, Textile and Peel and Stick. To set a mood, whether it's boho, modern, or minimalist, we need tactile integrity. Step 1. Apply a removable, fabric-textured wallpaper. Step 2. If wallpaper feels like too much, hang a lightweight textile or tapestry using a tension rod. This is atmospheric curation. It adds sophisticated warmth and absorbs sound, making a generic box feel like a cozy, permanent sanctuary. It's the ultimate wall decor hack for the mindful renter. Designer Secret 4. The Hardware Revamp. Sneaky upgrades. This is a senior designer secret for kitchens and baths. Step 1. Swap out your standard hardware for high-end matte black or brass. Step 2. The rule of reversibility. Keep the old hardware in a bag inside that cabinet so you can swap them back when you move. This small change adds tactile luxury to your everyday touchpoints. It's an affordable upgrade that absolutely transforms the feel of the space. Designer Secret 5. Shadow Architecture. Smart Light Placement. The final 10% is shadow architecture. In rentals, overhead lighting is usually tragic. Step 1. Use battery-operated puck lights under cabinets or inside bookshelves. Step 2. Use smart bulbs to warm up the temperature. By grazing your new textures with warm light, you create atmospheric depth. Your rental doesn't just look decorated, it feels evolved and uniquely yours. Before you go out and grab your first roll of temporary wallpaper, I just wanted to say a sincere thank you. Thank you for spending these moments with me at Beki Décor. Your journey toward a more intentional, stylish home, even if you don't own the walls, is exactly why I created this space. every time you share your renter-friendly wins in the comments. You're helping us grow a community of mindful creators who know that home is a feeling, not a title deed. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for being here and for making this space so special. I'll see you in the next one. As we look at these reversible upgrades, remember, your lease might be temporary, but your peace of mind shouldn't be. Today wasn't just about hacks or peel and stick. It was about reclaiming your environment. When you choose to make your rental beautiful, you are declaring that you are worthy of a sanctuary right now, not in some distant future when you have a mortgage. You don't need a permanent address to have a permanent sense of belonging. Thank you for letting me be a part of your story today. Stay inspired and stay grounded.